Red-handed. Caught doing something wrong or bad, especially a crime. Example: he was caught red-handed stealing the cookies from the jar. Big-headed. Someone who thinks too highly of themselves, very arrogant. Example: don't be big-headed just because you won the game. Top-notch. Of the highest quality or excellent. Example: her presentation was top-notch. Short-tempered. Gets angry easily and quickly. Example: my boss is short-tempered, so be careful what you say. Jaw-dropping. Very surprising or amazing. Example: the magician's trick was jaw-dropping. Run down. In poor condition, tired, or not well maintained. Example: the old house looks run down and needs repairs. Tight-fisted. Very unwilling to spend money, stingy. Example: he is so tight-fisted, he never buys gifts. Two-faced. Someone who says one thing but means another, not honest. Example: she is two-faced and talks behind people's backs. Well-known. Famous or recognized by many people. Example: she is a well-known singer in our country. Handpicked. Carefully chosen by someone. Example: the coach handpicked the best players for the team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.